Blood is the river of life that flows inside us. It supplies oxygen, nutrients, and hormones, and at the same time it removes harmful waste. In this video, we will understand the introduction of blood and also its major functions in detail.
Blood is a special connective tissue. It continuously circulates in our body through blood vessels. Without this circulation, our cells cannot survive. Blood is defined as a fluid connective tissue. It transports essential materials and removes unwanted waste. Blood is made of two parts. The first part is plasma. Plasma is the fluid portion and makes up about 55% of blood. The second part is formed elements. These include red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Together they form about 45% of blood. In an adult human, blood volume is about 4 to 6 liters. It forms about 7 to 8% of total body weight. The pH of blood is slightly alkaline. Oxygen-rich blood appears bright red. Oxygen-poor blood appears dark red. This change in color is due to hemoglobin inside red blood cells. Blood is not just a simple red liquid. It is a living tissue made up of millions of cells and countless chemicals. Red blood cells act like oxygen couriers. White blood cells act like the defense army. And platelets work as healing agents. This is why blood is called the lifeline of our body. The functions of blood can be grouped into three main categories: transport, regulation, and protection. Blood acts like a transport highway. It moves materials from one part of the body to another. It carries oxygen from the lungs to all tissues. It brings carbon dioxide back from tissues to the lungs for removal. It carries nutrients such as glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and vitamins. These nutrients are absorbed from the intestine and then delivered to body cells. It transports hormones from endocrine glands to target organs. This helps in proper control and coordination of body functions. It also removes waste products. Urea, uric acid, and creatinine are carried to the kidneys. From there, they are excreted out of the body in the form of urine. Blood maintains balance in the internal environment of the body. This balance is called homeostasis. It regulates the pH of body fluids. Buffers and plasma proteins help to keep pH between 7.35 and 7.45. Blood also regulates temperature. It absorbs heat and distributes it across the body. During exercise or fever, this function becomes very important. It maintains water and electrolyte balance. Plasma electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, calcium, and chloride control osmotic balance. Blood pressure is also influenced by blood volume and viscosity. Thus, blood indirectly helps in maintaining normal pressure. Blood also acts as a strong defense system. White blood cells fight infections. They destroy harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Antibodies and complement proteins increase the power of immunity. This helps in long-term protection against diseases. Platelets and clotting factors prevent blood loss. Whenever injury occurs, they form a clot. This acts like an emergency repair system and saves us from excessive bleeding. Gamma globulins act as antibodies. They provide specific immunity after infections or vaccination. Thus, blood protects us from both infections and injuries. If blood does not function properly, many diseases occur. Anemia results when red blood cells or hemoglobin are reduced. Leukemia occurs due to abnormal growth of white blood cells. Hemophilia occurs when clotting factors are missing, leading to unstoppable bleeding. Septicemia is a condition when infections spread inside blood. These examples show why blood is extremely important for health. We have now understood the introduction and functions of blood. In the next video, we will study the composition of blood in detail.